Are you in high school and haven't given a thought about your career yet? Then trust me, you are not alone.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Aditya Agarwal and you are exactly where you need to be. Today, I want to discuss about something that most of you are not serious about right now, your career. A recent global study has revealed that 39% of teens are unsure about their career paths. Are you also one of them? Because I've personally seen so many students in 9th and 10th standards who genuinely have no clue about the career options available to them. And honestly, it's not your fault. It's because no one around you, seniors, mentors, relatives, really talks about the entire world of possibilities. Options की बात तो दूर है. The mere thought of considering this topic is pushed behind marks. But again, it's not completely right to put it on them. It's your life. It's your responsibility. अगर एग्जाम्स खत्म होने के बाद सोचने का वेट कर रहे हो, तो I must tell you, my little buddies, that once exams are over, suddenly the fear of choosing the right stream jumps in. Suddenly, time feels flying and everything becomes fast. And then, forget about exploring. The truth is, जब तक स्कूल में हो, अलग अलग ऑप्शंस को खुले दिमाग से एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो, उनके बारे में पढ़ सकते हो, जान सकते हो और अपने इंटरेस्ट को पहचान सकते हो. In my previous video, I shared how I decided to pursue CA while I was still in school. And that was something completely new for me. At least, doctor, engineer, a teacher की जितनी commonly तो मैंने कभी नहीं सुना था. I admit it. मैंने भी उतनी रिसर्च नहीं की जितनी करनी चाहिए थी. But at least, that one decision made me know what I was working towards. At least, मेरे decision ambiguity और peer pressure से influence नहीं थे. And that's exactly what I want for you. But decide कैसे करना है दी? ये तो बताओ please. Of course, उसी के लिए तो वीडियो बनाई है. I know you're smart enough and that you're worried about your career. But you are just procrastinating it. So firstly, stop doing that today. Because later, peer pressure, lack of knowledge, and lack of time will sweep you away like a wind in any direction. Explore the internet. कैसे करना है? Use ChatGPT, Google or Perplexity. उसमें type down कि what are your interests, and then it will give you a list of different kinds of fields or career options available related to your interest area. Choose that. उसको चूज करो जिसको सुन के पढ़ के एकदम से इंटरेस्टेड फील हुआ हो, and then do a deep dive research on those particular options. For that, watch videos on YouTube that genuinely tells about the pros and cons of those options, the workload actually involved, and the lifestyle it allows. Learn about all the options that you have never even heard of. Maybe you will find something that you always wanted. Also, prepare a summary sheet of cost involved in each option so that you are clear that what is financially or economically feasible for you. Learn everything. Get a glimpse of everything that the world has to offer. Because my dear friend, the worst feeling is not failure. It's regret. अब क्वेश्चन होगा कि कैसे डिसाइड करें कि what actually interests me. So for that, here's the solution. Start participating in curricular and co-curricular activities today if you haven't yet. Many of you are doing that and that's perfect. But जो नहीं कर रहे हैं, I request you to start it. Because these are the moments, these are the activities that genuinely tells you about yourself. What excites you, what drains you, what feels like home. When you truly know what interests you, finding a career option that aligns with a passion becomes much more easier. And success comes much more naturally. I had participated in so many activities during my school time. And आज भी कभी मैं low feel करती हूँ लाइफ को लेके, so उस participation को याद करती हूँ and realize करती हूँ कि मेरा interest कहाँ था. And it gives me a motivation to do something more in my life. For example, I never participated in art a lot. कभी कभी कर सकती हूँ, But I know I can never pursue art as a whole time. But I used to participate in dance, like anchoring, drama, so much. So I know कि मेरे इंटरेस्ट कहाँ लाई करते हैं, मैं कहाँ जा सकती हूँ. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि अगर म्यूजिक में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो तो कल ही सिंगर बन जाओ. नो, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि दीज एक्टिविटीज टेल्स यू समथिंग more about yourself, something deep, whether you are inclined towards creativity, public speaking, sports, acting, or whatever, and it helps you decide about the future possibilities. Lastly, I want to say that it's okay if you're not clear about what you want in life, but at least at later stage there will be no regret that you didn't do what you could have done. If my words helped you even a little, or you have further doubts, or want a detailed video on some different career options available, do let me know in the comments. And share this video with a school friend who need to hear this today. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.